Hi all, welcome to the session on e-commerce. In this session, we'll be seeing what are the different ways the students can buy a test. We will also be seeing how the teacher can create a package. And in addition to that, we will also be seeing how the student can actually buy the package and what details the student has to enter in a cart and how he can complete the transaction and then take a test. So to begin with, first things first, we are going to talk about what is e-commerce. So e-commerce is nothing but giving the students an ability to buy the test on the platform. So there are two ways the student can buy a test. They can go and make a purchase with the credit card, or they can have a coupon code, or they can enter the coupon code and then make a purchase. These are the two ways the purchase can be made. Moving forward, what I have in front of you is a package screen. We are going to see how a teacher can create a package, because right now we are not selling one test to the student. We are selling it in the form of a package. It can be three IIT tests in one package, or it can be a combination of different exams like IIT, NET, CLAT, among others. So right now what we have is a combination of different packages. To give you an example, this, as you can see, is a published package. This is a package which is still in draft mode. It works very similar to a test, but I'm still gonna go ahead and show you. There are three tabs here. One is a summary, one is a practice test, and one is a discount. So summary page is very similar to the test page. We give the name, we assign the exams. Here, as you can see, the teacher can also choose different exams. He can check on all the boxes and she can click on save, and we can assign a price for this package. Okay, the maximum is 10,000 rupees, the minimum is 1, and we can go ahead and we can assign a value to this, and then we can write a description which will be shown in the package details. We can click a expiry date, which is again optional, but it can be assigned. So moving forward, what happens is when we click on the practice test, how it works is, depending on the exams that are chosen on the summary screens, the system will display the list of all the by tests which are published in that particular exam. So as you can see, there is an add button here. If we decide that if the teacher decides she wants to add this test to the package, she can click on the add button and we can add this particular test in the package. So if the teacher wants to view the tests which are added to the package, she can switch on this toggle right here and it will show the one test that we just added to the package. So the first step the teacher needs to do is publish individual test over here, which we all know how to do, and we can choose buy in the access mode. And as soon as she starts creating a package, she will be able to see all the tests which have been published so far in that particular exam. She can, as I showed earlier, she can add or she can remove any test from the package. So once she has done it, the one thing to remember is there should be minimum 2 tests in a package in order to be able to publish the package. So the last but not the least, the most important part is the discount tab. So what we have done is we have given the teacher an ability to create the coupon code manually. It is not automatically generated, it is manually generated. So the teacher can go ahead and she can enter the details. So when she does this, as you can see the explanation, it is clearly saying that it has to be numbers, it has to be capital letters, it cannot be small case, and it has to have, as I can show you an example here, ABC 457. It should be in this format, preferably 3 alphabets and 3 letters. And then we can assign an date when the coupon expires. We can choose whether it is going to be worth 1 rupee or 1%. And we can assign the limit. How many times can the coupon be used? And then a price finally for the coupon. So when we click percent, what happens is the percentage of discount is applied. When we choose on price radio button, it is applied for exactly 1 rupee. The moment we add it, what happens is this coupon which is generated, ABC457, is attached to this particular package, and the student, if at all, the teacher can either sell the coupons, or the coupons can be sold in the stores to the students, or the students can get access to it from several other sources. We don't want to get deeper into that, but the student will have access to this coupon code And when the student uses this coupon code to buy the package, that is one way the student can buy a package, which can be compared to buying with cash. And the second way is by credit card. When they don't have this coupon code, they can go and they can make the purchase with a credit card. So now we are going to take a look on how the student can actually go and buy the package. So one thing more that I want to show you guys over here is there is an option called publish. So as soon as the teacher has 2 or more tests in a package, she can go ahead and she can publish this package. So that ends the steps as far as a teacher is concerned. This is how the teacher will publish a package. So what happens? The flow on the teacher is complete and it moves on to the student at this point, and the student can go ahead and they will be able to view the package in a package tab. As you can see over here, when the student clicks on view button, we display all the details to the students, the name of the 2 tests which are available in the package, and an option to view the further test details, which is at this point when he clicks on view, the entire detail about the test will be shown. If you wish to cancel it, we can go back to the package. So as you can see over here, the student again has an option of buying and adding it to the cart. So at this point, the student, after reviewing all the package details, can make a decision. If he chooses to buy the package, the system will redirect him to the cart. At this point, he can enter the coupon code. That is one way of buying. If the student does not have a coupon code, there will be no coupon code enter here. All the details will be entered in the other columns. We take the address and everything, but over here I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use the coupon. So as you can enter the coupon here and you click on apply. My bad, the coupon is not yet active, so I'm going to pick up a coupon that is active over here and I'm going to apply it over here. Okay, so we have gone to the same package and we have taken another coupon that can be applied. I think this coupon is already been used once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new coupon and I'm going to assign a price of 100 and add it. Okay, so at this point, what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to enter these details and I'm going to apply it. As you can see over here, the coupon was applied and it became 0. So which means that the student has made a cash purchase. In this case, he has entered the coupon code number and the purchase is completed. We are going to randomly enter a few details over here and we'll complete the purchase. So at this point, the warning message that you see over here is nothing but an indication that the package that the student has just purchased, these some of the exams which are included in the package are not added to a student's profile. So as we do, if we click on no, it comes back to the cart. But if we click on yes, what the system does is adds the exams to the student's profile from the backend and enables the student to buy and view and attempt the test. So I'm going ahead and I'm clicking on yes. As you can see, the transaction was successful and everything is visible over here under the purchases tab. Okay, so one more change that you will see is in packages, the demo becomes view. There is no more buy button visible over here because the package has already been purchased by the student. So all the student needs to do is, in order to attempt the test, click on the view button and click on the view button in front of the test and then go here. As you can see, the buy button became the take test button. So now the student can click on the test and follow the same steps that he would typically follow while taking a regular test. So after that, all the steps follow regularly. The attempts are visible to the student and the attempts page and attempts get updated in the attempts page depending on the toggle switched on or off by the teacher. So to sum it up, we have in front of you, these are the few options in which the student can buy the test. One last thing that I would like to cover over here is, as you can see, there is one more package here. I'm going to make this purchase over here without the coupon code. I'm going to enter some random details over here, and I'm going to make the purchase and confirm the purchase. So as you can see over here, it is going to take me to a CC Avenue page, and this is the page very similar to when we do an online purchase. This is a page we see, it's a cart where all the information relating to credit card is entered, and the same process will be followed. Once it is done, the changes will be updated in the purchases tab. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this e-commerce session, when we looked closely at what are the two ways the student can buy a package, how does a teacher create a package, and how do we create a coupon code, and how the student can use the coupon code in the cart or can make a purchase through CC Avenue using his credit card. So I hope this session was helpful. Please get back to us with your questions at hello@myperfectice.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.